Hi folks, this is Sam, the creator of passi and acti. Those are the figures from a whale and a hippo. It is basically a sound amplifier without electricity. I can say that this is an outcome of design and idea convergence. By the principle of constructive interference, if you are inserting your smartphone into a passi or acti mouse, then the sound is amplified up to double. The performance can be different depending on devices you have. First off, I wanted to listen to music louder without earphone to protect my eardrums. And I thought about power saving to support the greeners campaign. And I wanted something very cute. These amenities made me develop this product. The whale looked shy, so I started call passi, the abbreviation of passive. And the hippo with a big mouth led me to call acti, the abbreviation of active. As I mentioned, those are the figures from a whale and a hippo. And I also want them to become character products. Since those are cute enough, you can put anywhere as an interior decoration. And those are made from silicone, which means never broken. And those can be toys for kids. You can use this as an excellent smartphone stand. When you're watching moving pictures, please just put your smartphone horizontally or vertically on this spot. Moreover, at night, this will help your love business. If you insert flash into passi and acti, this will become a perfect moonlight. Why not drink a wine with your girlfriend or boyfriend with this romantic moonlight? I want to develop more figures from a variety of friendly animals, such as doggy and kitty, tiger and lion, on and on. And my ultimate goal is to launch a UFO series, which stands for UFO plus animals.